Welcome to Learn English by Listening. What's your name? What's your name? My name is John. My name is John. How are you? How are you? I'm good, thank you. I'm good, thank you. How about you? Where are you from? Where are you from? I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. How old are you? How old are you? I am 25 years old. I am 25 years old. What do you do? What do you do? I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Where do you live? Where do you live? I live in New York City. I live in New York City. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? My number is 1-2-3-4-5-6-7-8-9-0. Do you have siblings? Do you have siblings? Yes, I have 2 brothers. Yes, I have 2 brothers. Are you married? Are you married? No, I'm not married. No, I'm not married. What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak? I speak English and Spanish. I speak English and Spanish. What time do you wake up? What time do you wake up? I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the morning? I have breakfast and go for a run. I have breakfast and go for a run. What's your favorite meal? What's your favorite meal? I love pizza. I love pizza. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. I usually go to bed at 10 p.m. Do you exercise every day? Do you exercise every day? Yes, I exercise every morning. Yes, I exercise every morning. How do you usually get to work? How do you usually get to work? I take the bus. I take the bus. What do you like to do in your free time? What do you like to do in your free time? I enjoy reading books. I enjoy reading books. Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? Yes, I love cooking. Yes, I love cooking. What do you usually have for breakfast? What do you usually have for breakfast? I have cereal and coffee. I have cereal and coffee. Do you like to go shopping? Do you like to go shopping? Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes. Yes, I enjoy shopping for clothes. Have you ever been to another country? Have you ever been to another country? Yes, I've been to Spain and Italy. Yes, I've been to Spain and Italy. Where would you like to travel? Where would you like to travel? I'd like to visit Japan. I'd like to visit Japan. How do you usually travel? How do you usually travel? I usually travel by plane. I usually travel by plane. What's your favorite place to visit? What's your favorite place to visit? My favorite place is the beach. My favorite place is the beach. How long is your vacation? How long is your vacation? My vacation is for 2 weeks. My vacation is for 2 weeks. Do you prefer the mountains or the beach? Do you prefer the mountains or the beach? I prefer the beach. I prefer the beach. What is your favorite travel destination? What is your favorite travel destination? I love traveling to Paris. I love traveling to Paris. Do you like to travel alone? Do you like to travel alone? Yes, I enjoy traveling alone. Yes, I enjoy traveling alone. What's the best trip you've ever had? What's the best trip you've ever had? The best trip was to Italy last summer. The best trip was to Italy last summer. Do you prefer flying or taking a train? Do you prefer flying or taking a train? I prefer flying. I prefer flying. What's your job? What's your job? I work as a nurse. I work as a nurse. How long have you been working here? How long have you been working here? I've been working here for 3 years. I've been working here for 3 years. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I enjoy helping people. Yes, I enjoy helping people. What's your favorite subject? What's your favorite subject? My favorite subject is history. My favorite subject is history. Do you work from home? Do you work from home? Yes, I work from home on weekends. Yes, I work from home on weekends. What time do you start work? What time do you start work? I start work at 9 a.m. I start work at 9 a.m. Do you study English? Do you study English? Yes, I study English every day. Yes, I study English every day. What are you studying? What are you studying? I'm studying computer science. I'm studying computer science. Do you like working with your colleagues? Do you like working with your colleagues? Yes, I get along well with my colleagues. Yes, I get along well with my colleagues. What do you do in your free time at work? What do you do in your free time at work? I usually check my emails or take a break. I usually check my emails or take a break. What are your hobbies? What are your hobbies? I like hiking and photography. I like hiking and photography. Do you play any sports? Do you play any sports? Yes, I play football. Yes, I play football. What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. I like pop music. Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books? Yes, I read books every week. Yes, I read books every week. What's your favorite book? What's your favorite book? My favorite book is Harry Potter. My favorite book is Harry Potter. Do you watch movies? Do you watch movies? Yes, I watch movies on weekends. Yes, I watch movies on weekends. What's your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie? My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. My favorite movie is The Shawshank Redemption. Do you like playing video games? Do you like playing video games? Yes, I enjoy playing video games with my friends. What's your favorite TV show? What's your favorite TV show? I love watching Friends. I love watching Friends. Do you collect anything? Do you collect anything? Yes, I collect postcards from different places. Yes, I collect postcards from different places. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.